Here I have REALME C1. Let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select settings. Here we need to find and select home screen and wallpaper. Then let's tap set wallpaper, and you can choose wallpaper from photos or from wallpaper gallery. Let me use wallpaper gallery. Let me tap allow a couple of times, and here you can use the following wallpapers. In my case, let me use for example the following one. Let's choose here crop photo in my case. Tap OK and tap set as, and you can use it on your lock screen, home screen, or if you would like to, you can use it on your both screens. Let me use on my lock screen, and now after pressing power key I should see new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.